Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be presenting the most reliable vehicles available on the market based on the highest ratings from Consumer Reports reliability study. Number 10. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX earned a solid reliability score of 80 out of 100, showcasing its dependability. In addition to its strong reliability rating, it also performed exceptionally well in both owner satisfaction surveys and road tests, further solidifying its reputation. This comes as no surprise, as Acura has long been known for its commitment to building reliable vehicles. Since the RDX hasn't undergone any major changes since its 2019 update, any initial issues have likely been addressed and resolved by now. Acura's build quality is generally above average, with the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine proving itself to be both powerful and reliable over time. Combining a blend of sportiness, luxury, and practicality, the RDX is an excellent option for those in the market for a well-rounded compact SUV that delivers both performance and comfort. Number 9. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester earned a notable reliability rating of 82 out of 100, along with a strong owner satisfaction score of 4 out of 5 and an impressive 90 out of 100 in road test performance. Subaru owners are well known for holding onto their vehicles for extended periods, and the brand proudly highlights that the majority of its cars remain on the road for well over 10 years due to their durability and longevity. The Forester perfectly fits into this narrative, offering robust build quality and reliability. While it may not be the most luxurious SUV on the market, the Forester excels where it matters most, delivering a practical, safe, and capable driving experience. Number 8. BMW X5. The BMW X5 has delivered some remarkable results, earning a perfect 5 out of 5 for owner satisfaction, an outstanding 94 out of 100 in road test performance, and an impressive reliability score of 82 out of 100. While BMWs are often known for being difficult and expensive to repair once the warranty expires, the X5 has remained relatively unchanged over the years, allowing BMW to address any previous issues thoroughly. Its drivetrain is particularly noteworthy, featuring the dependable B58 inline 6-cylinder engine, which has been a staple in the X5 since 2015, paired with the highly reliable 8-speed ZF automatic transmission. Together, they form a robust and smooth powertrain that contributes to the X5's strong overall performance. Although long-term reliability and repair costs post-warranty may still be high, the X5 stands out as an excellent option if you're in the market for a premium SUV and have the budget to support it. Number 7. Lexus UX. The Lexus UX 250h boasts an impressive reliability rating of 84 out of 100, coupled with excellent scores in both owner satisfaction and road test performance. In fact, out of all the Lexus models evaluated in the Consumer Reports study, the UX emerged with the highest reliability rating, a remarkable achievement for the brand. While it's technically classified as a crossover, the UX feels more like a compact hatchback due to its smaller interior size. However, if you don't mind the more compact dimensions, this vehicle offers a compelling blend of luxury, fuel efficiency, and affordability when it comes to long-term maintenance. For those seeking a premium driving experience without the high cost of ownership, the UX 250h is an excellent option. Number 6. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius earned an impressive reliability rating of 84 out of 100, along with high marks for owner satisfaction and road test performance. When it comes to cost of ownership, few vehicles can match the Prius, thanks to its outstanding fuel efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance expenses. With such a strong balance of affordability, practicality, and proven longevity, it's hard to ask for much more from a vehicle. The Prius stands out as an exceptional choice for those seeking an economical, dependable, and eco-friendly car. Number 5. Toyota RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 continues to impress, with the plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime outperforming the standard model, earning a reliability score of 84 out of 100 compared to the RAV4's 80 out of 100. Both versions also scored highly in owner satisfaction and road tests, solidifying their positions as top choices in the SUV segment. Part of the RAV4's success as the best-selling passenger vehicle in North America comes from its reputation for dependability. Buyers seeking a hassle-free ownership experience know they can count on the RAV4 to deliver. What's particularly notable is that the RAV4 Prime proved to be the most reliable of the lineup, though the standard RAV4 and RAV4 Hybrid also earned excellent scores. No matter which version you choose, you're making a smart investment in a vehicle that offers reliability, versatility, and peace of mind. Number 4. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V earned an impressive reliability score of 85 out of 100, making it the most dependable Honda model according to the full Consumer Reports survey. This outstanding reliability is largely due to the HR-V's consistency and simplicity in design. Powered by the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter K-Series engine, renowned for its durability and long life, the HR-V sticks to a proven formula that minimizes risk. Honda has kept things straightforward with this model, and as a result, it shares many components with the highly reliable Honda Civic, leaving very little room for potential issues. For those seeking a compact SUV with minimal maintenance concerns and proven longevity, the HR-V is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner, which received a remarkable 87 out of 100 reliability rating. Although its owner satisfaction rating was good, the 4Runner's road test score was disappointingly low, coming in at only 53 out of 100. This is probably because of how outdated its design is. But given that it continuously ranks among the most robust and long-lasting cars available, its dependability shouldn't be shocking. For more than 15 years, Toyota has maintained the same straightforward, trouble-free recipe, which has made the 4Runner one of the most well-refined cars on the market today. Even though it's not the most sophisticated or opulent SUV, the 4Runner is the best option if you want a reliable car that will endure for a very long time. Number 2. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry, which received a remarkable 87 out of 100 reliability rating. Additionally, it received a 4 out of 5 for owner satisfaction and an outstanding 94 out of 100 on the road test. It's easy to understand why the Camry received one of the study's highest overall rankings. These vehicles have accumulated 300,000 to 400,000 miles and are frequently utilized as taxis for a reason: they are reliable. Given that the brand new 2025 Camry will only be available in hybrid form, it's fantastic to hear that the hybrid model even did better than the conventional Camry. All things considered, the Camry's dependability and performance are still impressive. Number 1. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek, and I must say that this one was unexpected. The Crosstrek's remarkable reliability rating of 99 out of 100 indicates that practically nothing went wrong for its owners. It was surprising to see a score so near to perfect, even though the Crosstrek is renowned for its dependability. Although Subaru just upgraded the Crosstrek for 2024, I anticipate that its high level of dependability will endure because the mechanics haven't altered. This is a great option if you want a tiny crossover SUV that will last. So there you have it. Let me know what you think of these picks and which of them you'd consider buying. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe.